Goa police will conduct a preliminary inquiry into the allegations of sexual misconduct leveled by a journalist against editor-in-chief of Tehelka News magazine Tarun Tejpal, Goa Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said on Thursday. With reference to Mr. Tejpal's decision to step aside for 6 months, Mr. Parrikar also stated that it is a weakness of an individual, and if you have weakness, you cannot say that you are out of business for 6 months.
Prima facie complaint, prima facie case is made out. I waited till it was confirmed that it is Goa. Moment it has been made out in my territory, the Home Department and the police has to act. Now, proving that complaint will depend on whether the girl registers a complaint.
So police call the girl to Goa?
If required, after preliminary inquiry, they may proceed further depending on situation. I'm informing you that it is beyond media that we have knowledge.
Beyond media?
We have knowledge, no. Since inquiry is going on, I don't elaborate any further. But we have knowledge beyond media. Media raised the issue. After that, P has started. P means you are doing a preliminary inquiry about the facts. We are ascertaining the facts, and we have found that there are some truth in the facts. So the police is further investigating. Police probably is in process of collecting evidence. If they don't cooperate, they become part to the. Once the inquiry report comes, further whatever action has to be taken will be initiated. That is a status position as of now. So if you want to ask anything,
Sir, can you act even if she hasn't complained?
Sexual harassment by a young employee of theirs is completely inadequate and in fact shocking, because the complaint is very specifically one of sexual harassment. The complainant has asked that that Mr. Tejpal acknowledge that he committed sexual harassment and that this acknowledgement be publicly circulated within all the Tehelka employees. That has not happened. We need to tell Mr. Tejpal and Tehelka that penance is no substitute for due process and penalty.
अगर एलिगेशन एक्सेप्ट होता है तो इट बिकम्स कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंस. आप अगर मानते हैं कि मैंने सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट किया था तो सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट मॉलेस्टेशन ये बहुत बड़ा कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंस है. तो उनके हो सकता है उसके ऊपर एफआईआर भी हो सकती है. तो एफआईआर में जो पनिशमेंट होगी वो उनको लेनी पड़ेगी.
अगर आरोप सही हो तो बहुत ही गंभीर मसला है कि एक वरिष्ठ पत्रकार होकर अगर कुछ इस तरह की बात उनके द्वारा हुई है तो ये चिंता का विषय है.
Vacation of 6 months is not a punishment to an offence, and criminality cannot be shielded in this fashion.
It doesn't merit any more inquiry because this is an admitted sexual harassment case, and proceed with the investigation.
देखिए, अत्यंत ही एक संवेदनशील मामला है और इसके पूरे तथ्यों की जानकारी लेकर अगर इसके ऊपर कोई प्रतिक्रिया